Hello guys, today we're gonna see to how to translate the 1688 app to English. This is really simple. Simple. We're gonna click right here the app. On once we click the app, we're gonna find this icon right here. Well, uh, first we're gonna skip this app, and then we're gonna click right here this button called Me, and then we're gonna find this button right here, and we're gonna click here. You can see this uh, icon right here. This icon is for change the language of the app. We're gonna click right here, and then we're gonna choose our language. In this case is English, and we're gonna click English, and here you go. You have translated app to English. And well, uh, if this video was help you, please comment and subscribe.